inequality. Last I explained you related two dimensions solutions, x-axis, y-axis. Yes, if your lines are vertical there are two portions, left hand side part, right hand side part. And if your lines are neither vertical nor horizontal, that way, then upper half part and lower half part. And students, today I going 6.2, same as question 6. 2x minus 3y greater than 6. Find out the solution in the two dimensions. Very easy. First of all, I am going ahead to this equality, taking in the line. So suppose in the line L, we have to 2x minus 3y compulsory is equal to write down and plot on the basic table. Is respectively taking x0, y0. If you are taking x0, then what is y? Minus 3y is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 2. And if you y0 taking, here putting y0, 2x is equal to 6, then x is equal to 3. And go to your simple coordinate plane x and y. Students, here x positive, y negative. It means this side you are drawing with your x-axis, origin, your y-axis. But I want to x up to 3. So here 1, 2, 3, and here also same minus 1 and minus 2. You taking by proper measure using pencil scale. Now let 0, y minus 2, here approximately your 0.8. B 3, 0. Here apply that point B and make them both joint. So students, here A and B, I just making one of the line passing through A and B. And line is ready. What is the line? 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Check. This line is neither vertical nor horizontal. It means lower half plane, upper half plane. I checking first of all origin 0, 0. So students, here verification. We going to verify O 0, 0. Applying the question 2x minus 3y is greater than 6. You easily create. Your answer is true or not? 0 greater than 6. Possible? 0 is more than 6? No. Means this equation is false. It means my stating not passes through this side, origin sides, not passes through upwards, it is the downwards. Because I also checking the downwards point, just like taking 3 comma minus 2. As you like, the other point is also possible, 4 comma minus 2, 4 comma minus 3, any point. And here also we verify. That is the point P, 3 comma minus 2. And on the inequality, you must be make the shading in the true sides. It is a false. I am going to true. So here 2, x is 3, y is minus 2. It is 6 plus 6. Yes, 12 more than 6. This is true. It means your shaded portion must be this side. Now I go to shading. Should I shading here? Check greater than given. It means they not counted the line. It means it is open half plane. So here I just draw one of the dotted line. You compulsory draw nearest to line L, one of the dotted line. Because this line is not included line L in the solution, this is included in the red color. And here I shaded in this passing this way. You also using different color pen, and here I taking to shaded portions. Students, these are the shading passing through. Check. Third quadrant, fourth quadrant, and first quadrant, but never passing through second quadrant. So finally, my numerical done. But now I go to solution. Therefore, solution of given inequality 2x minus 3y greater than 6 is passing through origin or not? No, not passing through origin. So is not passing through origin. And line L. What is line L? 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. In this part, dotted line using is open half plane. Yes, line L, 2x minus 3y equal to 6 in open half plane. If you given here y equal to, then you write down closed half plane. Yes, in open half plane, which is passes through. In which quadrant? Quadrant number 1, 4 and 3. Yes, passes through first, fourth and third quadrant. Here students, our this answer for this inequality, first, fourth and third quadrant easily done. And numerical is also done. Now students, same as one more questions. Minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. Greater than or equal to given means? Yes, it is the closed half plane. Same starting. Suppose the line L I take down that minus 3x plus 2y is equal to necessary minus 6. Students, here is equal to write down compulsory. Yes, minus 3x plus 2y and is equal to minus 6. Sorry, by mistake that is ink going down. Okay, minus 6. So here greater than or equal to, you just write down is equal to and plot on the table. And table wise, you can judge easily. There are two values, x0 one time, y0. If you take x0, then here put down 0. So 2y is equal to minus 6. 2y equal to minus 6, y is equal to minus 3. Same. If you take the y0, this y0, you getting minus 3x is equal to minus 6. Minus cancel. X is equal to 2. 6 by 3. Now x positive, y negative. It means your graph is moving this side. X positive, y is negative side. This side your graph going. Y dash, here x dash. And that's my origin. Oh. But I want to x is equal to positive value 1, 2, some 3. And y here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. It means you just easily plotting down there. X 0, y 3 is here one of the point A. Same as. Now x2, y0 is here point B. 2, 0. Yes, 2, 0 and it is 0, minus 3. Both connect by the one of the line. Here A and B is joining. This side is your one of the line is defined. And my line is what? L minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. Now we go to verifications. Students, verification is main. Then you can plot it is upwards or downwards. Yes. So verify. First of all, I verify O0, 0 in the inequality minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. So minus 3 with 0, 2 with 0, and answer is coming 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to minus 6. So what you get? 0 greater than or equal to minus 6. It is true. Means 0 number is more than minus 6. Yes, definitely. It is more than minus 6. It is true. Means your shading this side, upward side, because here is origin, not that down sides. And also here all equal to given, it means not closed half plane, I mean not open half plane, it is closed half plane. So students, my shading is this sides, upper sides, and here I make the shading in this parts. exactly touching the line here in this side to make the shading using different color of paint. Yes students, different color paint utilize, and easily you can check your answer in these parts. And after that you also more shaded. For easy understanding, my solution is passing through which quadrant? Quadrant number 1. This also moving ahead, 2, 3 and 4 also in closed half plane. So last I write down solution of given inequality minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. First write down it's passing through origin. Yes, definitely. So it's passing through O00 and now write down line related and line L. What is line L? Minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6 in closed half plane. Why write down closed half plane? Because here given or equal to. It means the line is included in the answer. Yes, in closed half plane. In upper parts or lower parts? Yes, in upper parts. Either direct write down and in closed half plane and passing through which quadrant? Students, passing through first, second, third and fourth. Yes, passing in all 4 quadrants. And here students, your little answer for this inequality is very easy. Yes students, I hope you understand that type of shading. Here main is shading, yes students. In shading, before you must be check your verification. Passes through or not? If you passing through true, then you make the shading this side. If you here not passing through, it is false equations. You make the shading this downwards. Okay? Yes students, one more question, 81. In the same our linear inequality, 3y minus 5x less than 30. Less than indicate your answer in the yes open half plane. It means here we utilize dotted line. Okay, so first we taking suppose our line, one of the line form L line, 3y minus 5x is equal to 30. Yes, less than or equal, greater or equal, any given, you must be write down here is equal to. Now, plot the table and put down your some values. 2 point is minimum on the line. So x 0. Now, if you put it, x is 0 here. So 3y is equal to 30. Yes, 3y is equal to 30. Y is equal to 10. And if you y 0 put in, here y 0. Minus 5x is equal to 30. So x is equal to minus 6. Yes, your y is 0. Minus 5x equal to 30. 30 by 5 minus, it is minus 6. Your answer is y positive, x negative. It means this side your region is going x-axis and x negative, y positive. It means this side you can plot your graph. Here. Yes, your origin, your 1.0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Up to that. And y is 10. So I just taking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here your y axis. And your y is. I putting approximately, yeah? But you putting surely exact measurement 1 centimeter. So first x 0 by 10 is here you are point A 0, 10. And second minus 6 0. It means here you have a point minus 6 0 and both of the joint. So students, this if you join now A to B, my first line is made in these portions. Yes. So now I check two verifications and the line N is ready. 3y minus 5x is equal to 30. So verification. First of all, O verification, O point origin means my answer this line in the one of the two partitions. One of the downward shading and the upward shading. Depend on my shading portion. So here my equations 3y minus 5x less than 30. Putting down y0, x0. So 0 minus 0. So 0 less than 30. It is true? Yes. It is true. So your shading portion is this side, origin side. Downwards I make the shading and check less than given means open half plane. So students, I draw here one of the dotted lines. First of all, you make these dotted lines and after that making the shading. So this shading is passing through that. Our third quadrant is also second quadrant, is also first quadrant, and is also which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So after that I am making the shading finally this way. Yes, friends. And this shading is my answer. And at the last I write down solution of given inequality 3y minus 5x less than 30 in passing through. Check. Origin is passing through. Sometimes not passing through, you write down not passing through. Is passing through. Is O 0 0. And in line L 3y minus 5x is equal to 30. Now check. It is open half plane or closed half plane. Less than means open half plane. In the line L, in O plane, half plane. And passing through which quadrant? All four quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And passing through in all four quadrants. Yes, students, this question is happily done. Now students, similar question 9th one, it is IMP for exam. You tick mark in the IMP list. Inequality given y less than minus 2. X is not given. Don't worry. The process is same. Consider here one of the line. Suppose the line L. I just take down y is equal to minus 2. Necessary is equal to. Here students check. Your x coordinate was given. It means x coordinate here I have a coordinate. So I just write down 0x plus y is equal to minus 2. 0x means any value for x taking. Definitely y is always minus 2. So you got the table. Here students, I am taking some more values in the x and y. Y is fixed, minus 2 for at all, every time. Any putting to x, just like minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, apply. X0, what is y? Minus 2. X1, y minus 2. X2, but 2 into 0, no? It means x is totally, here apply the 0. And what is the y? Minus 2. Sometimes putting minus 1, minus 2 is also your value for y is fixed minus 2. Now I plot the graph. You easily making your graph with the x-axis, y-axis, and your 90 degree origin 0, 0. X will be taking some 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. But y is fixed. How much? Minus 2. So here you are -1, here you are -2. Other way possible, don't worry. But now my graph is a, yes, the correct thinking. Line is a horizontal line. Then it is possible. So here I apply x0, y -2. It means here you are. Now 1 then -2. Second here. 2 then -2. 3 then -2. Either -2 then -2. That's your making straight lines. And this line is parallel to x-axis. That's why it is a horizontal line. And equation is what? 1 is equal to -2. Now, this line is a vertical or horizontal. So there are two shaping. The downwards, either upwards. I check down origin 0, 0. And then after make the decision. So students, here verification. First of all, O checking, origin. Putting in the question, y less than -2. So y is 0. Check. 0 is actually less than -2. No. 0 is more than -2. It means this statement is false. So I just write down 0 less than -2. It is false. So my shading is not passing through origin. This side is not making the shading. Your answer is downwards. But before downwards, I check in one more point, just like a 1, -3. Just this point. I just checking up. You taking any points other than on the line. So I just check here. Also P point 1, -3 and apply on the equation. Y coordinate is a -3. Less than -2 and check -3 is really less than -2. Yes, it is true. So your shading confirm this size and less than, it means I making in the open half plane. So students, here you draw one of the dotted lines. Compulsory. Because my answer is not including the line y is equal to -2. This side you make the shading. In quadrant number 3rd and in quadrant number 4. This your answer to belonging in the quadrant 3rd and 4th. And after that students, you just properly write down your answer. Here my answer is possibility. Yes, you using different color pen and then make the beautifully drawing in the shaded portion, 3rd and 4th quadrant. So after that, we write down our answer. So solution of given inequality y less than -2, which is not passing through origin. Yes, not passing through origin. And in the line L, y is equal to -2. In open half plane or closed half plane, less than only means open half plane. So in y is equal to -2. In open half plane. And now which quadrant passing through? 3rd and 4th. We are not belonging answer in 1st and 2nd. Yes, and passing through 3rd and 4th quadrant. And here students, your question is 9. Is a vertical line or horizontal line? Horizontal. Now next question is coming, vertical line. Same as that. And here students, my question number 9 is done here. Yes students, one more question coming here, IMP. This question number 10, x more than -3. Previous numerical I explained you, it is a horizontal line. Here only x given. There is no y, it is vertical line. And this also students a tick mark in the IMP list. Method same. Suppose the line checking L, x is equal to -3. And here x, no value y. So we can write down x plus 0y because y is missing. I will take down the 0y and is equal to minus 3. Now any value you put in y, x is permanently minus 3. So you go in the table, put in some values. For more understanding, taking 3/4 values. X is fixed, minus 3 in everywhere. Y is putting any numbers. So here I put down minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, as you like. And go to table for the drawing. Y axis, x axis. Here your origin and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This side some value 1, 2. Same here 1, 2, 3. And this side is a minus 1, minus 2. Here what is? In an x for x plus. Now coming to plotting. You check x minus 3. Y 0. X minus 3, y 0 is here your first point. Now minus 3 then 1 means approximately here. Now minus 3 then 2 means again up. Finally you plot the line which is vertical. Either you plot in here minus 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 2. 2 point is sufficient to draw the line. This line is x 0 to minus 3. And now we go into verifications. Greater than 0, minus 3, it is this side, more than minus 3, this side less than minus 3, it is my shading in this side, but I first prefer verification. Verification 0, 0. Students, you just check in the inequality, x more than minus 3, so 0 more than minus 3, it is true, definitely true, 0 is more than minus 3, it is true. And these two sides, this origin side, I go to my shading, but it is greater than only, it means open half plane. So students, I just make here one of the here dotted lines. And to easily plot, these lines are continuing here and that side is making the shading. In right side of this line, that way. Yes. Now I just show out that answers in this shaping. Students, my answer is that the line is vertical. It means there are two shaping, left hand side part, right hand side part. My answer is the right hand side part. Yes. And now I write the finally answer. So, solution of given inequalities x more than minus 3, which is passing through origin. Yes. And in the line, what is your line? X is equal to minus 3 in right hand side part in open half plane. So in x is equal to minus 3 line in right hand side and in open half plane. Why write down open half plane? Because only greater. If you give r equal to them, you write down closed half plane. These are open half plane and which quadrant passing through? First, second, third, fourth also. They are infinitely moving away. So, and passing through in all 4 quadrants. And that's your students. You are over here. This question will change very happily. I hope students you understood that type of questions 1 to 5. Last part I explained you. And here 6 to 10 is also. Now students, you try itself. Example number, our 9, 10, 11. Above example given for this exercise, you try itself. And if you have any query, then already I given this number. You just message me on the WhatsApp. Yes, students, here our this part is done. Now in further part, I explain you related more than one inequality given. It means here one more also, two or three inequality given. And this shading portion is also different types of I am making drawing in the next part. Okay, students, this part is ending here. Further explanation I explain you in the next part. Bye bye.